This video tutorial is doing week-wise classwork in a particular course. In the last tutorial, we have studied and we have discussed about the stream section of the classwork course and their properties. Now, for going into the classwork section, I'm standing right now in my course data mining, and I will click on the classwork tab at the top of the course. Here, first of all, I have to create a week because everything in the classwork section that will be posted is suggested to be posted under a particular topic. As we are following the week-wise teaching mechanism in International Islamic University, so we will name the topic as the week, and then we will place all the teaching materials or teaching resources under that particular weeks. For that purpose, first of all, I will click on the create button, and then I will click on the topic. Here topic will be named as the week, and I will start with the week 10, and I will click on the add button. A new week 10 is created in the classwork section, and the students can only see topics when there are some published posts in that topic. Right now there is no published material in this topic. Now I can change the properties of the topic from here by clicking in this and settings button. I can rename the topic, I can delete the topic, I can copy this topic, and I can move up or down this topic. Now I will add some teaching materials in this section. I will be dealing only with the teaching material, the teaching resources that we want to add in the classwork section, and then and these teaching resources can be added via 4 different mechanisms. We will and see all these mechanisms one by one. Now for adding the material, I will again click on the create button, and I will click on the material. A pop-up window will be uploaded, which will contain the material interface. Here you have to mention the title of the material. This is the mandatory field. Until or unless you will not the mention of the title of the material, the post button will be disabled here. Now I will mention the title here as week, uh, as lecture 10, 1.pdf. The description about the lecture is an optional setting, but it is suggested that you must provide a short description about the lecture or about the material, so that the students will be familiar that what they are required to do with this particular resource. This is the first lecture of the week 10. In this lecture, is concepts of the data mining and its applications are discussed. Now I will click on the add button to add resource. When I will click on the add button, there are 4 different mechanisms by which I can add a particular material or a particular resource in the week. First of all, I will click on the Google Drive. This will show that I am adding the material from the Google Drive, as we have uploaded our e-course folders on the Google Drives, and after the acceptance from the department, from the online committee, those materials will be uploaded in the classrooms. And so first of all, I will select from the Google Drive. An interface will be opened where it will be asking you to select a particular file from the drive. Now here click on the My Drive option. Or if your data is present on the shared drive, you can also select here the shared drive, but the data is normally placed on my drive. I will click on my drive, and if and here I will write the name of the file, or if I can scroll down and I can find the file, I can also find that file. I will write the name of the file as week10 underscore 1 dot pdf, and I will click on the search button. The files have been searched here. I will click the file. I will click the selected file, and I will click on the add button. That file be added in the material section. Now here are some other settings that for which particular classes you in which particular classes you want to share this file. For example, there are certain scenarios that we want to share a particular file with more than one courses. In the for section and in the course section, here all the courses will be listed in which I am teacher of the course, and I can post in all of those courses that the particular file. In our scenario, the particular teacher has been taking the different sections of the same course, or a particular teacher has been taking the same course in multiple departments or multiple faculties, and the same if he or she wants to share the same file for all the multiple courses, then from here you can select the other courses as well, and on a single click this particular file will be shared in all of the courses in which you are teacher. You don't need to post that file in other courses individually. And similarly, you can also select from the all students drop down menu with which particular students you want to share this file. If you will select all the students, then all the students will be selected. This list is showing me the students of the course of the data mining course. If I select some particular student, I will check or uncheck the checkbox against their name, and you can then share your added resource or added material with some particular students. Then coming towards the topic, click on the drop down menu in the topic section, and you will be a list will be populated in listing the topics that have been already created in the classwork section. You can select the topic from there, and if no topic has yet been created, you can also click the create topic menu button here. Now I will click the week 10 topic. Here I'm have been provided with certain other options, that whether I want to post my file immediately, or I want to schedule the file for some later date, or I want to save this file as a draft. If I will click on the post button, the file will be immediately posted in the classwork section, and it will be visible to all the participants of the course. Also, the participants will be notified that a new file has been added in the course. If I will click on the schedule button, the file will be saved and only visible to me as a teacher, but the students will not be aware and notified of the saved file in the course. For example, if I click on the schedule button, the scheduling window will be open, and here it will be asking you the particular date or time to which you want to schedule your file, and here you can select the calendar will be opened, and you can select a particular day in this month or in the coming up months, or you can select a particular time at which you can schedule the file. For example, and I click on the direct immediate post button. Now this file will be created in your week 10 with the title lecture 10.1.pdf, and if I click on this file, uh, it will show the description of the file that the teacher has been entered. Similarly, in the stream section, the students will be notified that the teacher has posted a new material with the title lecture 10-1.pdf, and if I click on this, the student can see this file. Now again, coming to the classwork section, now we will create a new material by adding a web link. Again, I will click on the create button. And here I will click on the material button. Technologies, web link. I've added the title of the file, and if you want to provide a short description, you can also add here. Now click on the add button, and from here click on the link button. You will be asked to provide a link of the web page here. For example, I select the web page. I will find the link of the web page from my uh, browser window. I will copy this web address, and coming towards my course homepage, I will paste the web address in the add link window, and by clicking on the add link, that web link will be created in the material section, but it is not yet posted as I haven't posted it in the classwork section. Now again the same procedure will is here, that you can select for which particular courses you want to share this web link, or you can select with which particular students you want to share this web link, and you will select the topic from here, which is the week 10, and by clicking on the post button, this web link will be create posted in the week 10. Here I can see this, that this web link has been created in the week 10. Now coming towards the third option, from we want to add a material from a local file or the local hard drive. I will click on the create button, and I will click on the material button. Here I will write the name of the file that I want to add and a short description, which is optional. Now by clicking on the add button, here you will select the third option, that is from file. Clicking on the file, a file picker window will be opened, and here you are two options. Either you can drag or drop files here from your hard disk, or you can click on the select files from your device button. By clicking on the select file from your device buttons, the file chooser will be opened, and from here I will select this file, which will be uploaded here, and by clicking on the upload button, the file will be uploaded in the material sections of the course. It will take some time. The PDF file from the local hard drive has been added here, and again you can set these settings, and in the week 10 I will add this file, and by clicking on the post button, the file from the local hard drive will be posted in the classwork section of the course. Here you can see that the file from the local hard drive has been added in the classwork section of the course. Now I will add material as a the material is the YouTube video tutorial. Click on the create button, click on the material button. Here I give the title of the video, data mining applications YouTube video tutorial. Click on the add button and click on the last option, YouTube. A new window pop-up will be shown. Here you can either enter the URL of the video if you already have this URL, and you can search for particular video here. For example, if I write data mining applications, and by after clicking on the search button, it will list down the search results and different videos. I will select this video, applications of the data mining in business management, basic concepts of data mining, and by clicking on the add button, this video will be uploaded in the material section, but it has not yet been posted. Again, selecting for which course and for what for whom particular students, and by selecting the particular topic, click on the post button, and that video tutorial will be posted in your course homework coursework page in the classwork section. Now you can see that we have added these 4 resources in our classwork section, and these 4 resources are as the file lecture 10.1 that was added from the Google Drive, the OLAP Technologies web link, the file lecture week 10.2 PDF that has been uploaded from a local hard drive, and the data mining applications YouTube video tutorial. And when I will click on the view material, I can see this, and I can also add comments related to this particular video. Also, I can change the settings by editing this video, delete this video, copy link, or move up and down this video. Here I can rename the topic, delete the topic, copy link of the topic, and move up and down this topic. And this is all for the classwork, and adding different lecture resources, different type of materials in the classwork section of your course homepage. Thank you so much.